you today. As you can see, I have here some lime, which is a very popular food ingredient in Thailand. You can find this mostly in the Thai food dishes. These are mainly used for sauces to make them sweet and sour, and other sauces for vegetable salads like papaya salad or somtam and many other dishes. The lime in Thailand is also used in drinks such as the lemon tea or cha manao and the butterfly pea flower drink or the dok anchan. This can actually get very expensive when it's not in season. And since this contains a lot of vitamin C, this is also great for cough. I have used this as a quick and easy remedy for my son for the past 3 years, and it has worked really great on him. He usually develops a lot of phlegm in his chest that makes it hard for him to breathe. I normally use 1 tablespoon of lime and 1 tablespoon of honey. Then I add a little bit of water. I give this to him at least 2 times a day. 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening before he goes to bed. It will take at least 3 to 5 days to melt the phlegm. So we are going to wash these lime, and we're going to squeeze them.